will be going through the basic of personal protective equipment, PPE. Any question شباب على اللي تكلمنا فيه من شوي؟ PPE training initiative, personal protective equipment, short PPE, is a safety equipment, all of you know. Workers wear to prevent injuries in the workplace when engaging an administrative control failed to eliminate the hazard. I will give you small thing to memorize. The hierarchy control, health and safety control. We have, for example, I will give you some example. You are working in, for example, in scaffolding. You are working at height, installing some electrical bulbs or something at the roof or the ceiling of the facility. Also for you, working handling sharp objects. When you are doing that kind of job, and somebody approaches you, it is easy for us to use the forklift, put some plates, and go up to the roof. And when you go up to the roof, you will be changing the bulbs, not wearing your PPE. So, what is the idea you will have? What will happen to you? Is it safe? There is a fall hazard. You can fall, you can trip, you can slip. Also, is it okay for you to work on electrical equipment standing on metal sheets or metal covered sheet without any PPEs? Definitely you will be at risk of electrocution, of burnings, of even God forbid you are working at height and doing some electrical job. Maybe you will get small electrocution, something بسيط, and you will be falling. And that with the falling will cause you to die. Is it worth it? Will you accept it?
Of course, but even it's not safety to work while the electricity is on.
100%. That's why we have a hierarchy control triangle. What is it? I will tell you a small brief. I will not take too much time. We have elimination. We have engineering control. Substitution. We have engineering control. We have administration control, and finally we have the PPE. What does that mean? Maybe if you read it or have it or see it on the walls. For your job, you will be working at height, correct? Can we eliminate? Can we change this? I don't want you to work at height, but it must be. You have to. So I cannot eliminate. Can I substitute? Maybe when I am working with, when I install even so, I'll be going to fix that system. It's electrical bulbs. It will be changed, or something installed to the roof. It cannot be substituted. So this method also cannot be done. Now we will be going to engineering and administrative control. What does it mean? You will be working at height. Which is better, going through a forklift or going through scaffolding? Scaffolding. So it's a scaffolding. It's better, safer, and most better. Okay. What will make you more safe? Working at scaffolding without a harness and a rope, or with a harness and a rope? So you are standing at the height of the scaffolding. You are wearing your harness, and it's connected with a rope to the scaffold. For example, of course this harness is tested and approved. If you slip, what will happen? You will be safer. So This is a control, engineering control, engineering control. What will make more يعني it's better than working at forklift? We will have administrative control by what? By when you do this, you will be needing a work permit. There should be a safety officer going with you to monitor the work, to monitor the height, to monitor the scaffolding and the harness is connected properly so that you cannot fall. And finally, through PPE. Electrician shoes, safety shoes, which will hold up your ground, so you will not be a connector to the ground. It will isolate you. You will have a safety gloves, which is also isolate you. Also, we'll have a safety helmet. Whenever there are a wire coming from the roof, which is alive, electrical, it will be safety for you, more safer for you. And finally, just we will be turning off the electricity of that area. If we don't have a breaker, we will install a breaker and then turn it off, then you can work safely. That is the meaning of safety. After finishing this job, or before starting, if you know we'll be working at scaffolding with a harness, with PPEs, with electrical turn off, with every safety precautions there, how will you feel to work there? When you are safe, you are happy. Yes,